Hey guys, my name is Purity. On today's video will be a kind of a different video. So today on today's video I'm going to walk you through on how I make my hair. I know most of you guys can relate to me. Like umefumua nywele, just don't feel like combing your hair, but I'm going to show you an easy, just 5 minutes, then you walk out and go do your normal activities, kind of, as it's just a 5-minute process to make your hair look good. But before getting into the video, kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the red button down there below, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I post a new video. And without further ado, let's get that. You need only 3 things. You just need hair food. I'm using Radiant Anti-Dandruff hair food. You need a string so that utatai nywele yako, a comb hivyo. Then unaweza add some brushes and what. So we start by combing our hair. Let me comb my hair. Maybe something I hate in life is this. So combing our hair, take this Radiant oil because my hair is prone to dandruff. Kama kwa nywele to your hair, then use the same comb and turn it and spread. Then you should use this Then sasa, we use the string to tie. The string is a bit longer. Take this one with my short. The string is a bit longer. Then after that, just use a brush to lay your hair. This is an extra step I just do that so that it can make my hair shine. But si lazima, just don't have. Let's keep that process. Then, boom, you see? It's done. Just like that, and you're out of the. Let me go finish my makeup and come and show you the final result. So guys, this is the completed look. Check it out. Just 5 minutes and off you're gone. So okay guys, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, comment down below, and have a blessed week. Bye guys.